This video is part 5 and the final part of our series on the process healing treatment method developed by Dr. Gary Flint. In this enlightening journey, we are exploring the intricacies of how trauma impacts our personalities. We will work step by step to construct a comprehensive model of the personality and shed light on the formation of multiple personality parts. In addition, we will introduce basic treatment interventions designed to establish rapport with all aspects of the personality. The ultimate aim is to enrich your understanding of this process and offer some guidance on your path to healing. Let's dive in. Can you comprehend the magnitude of trauma's impact on our society? It's startling. According to research, nearly 2/3 of adults have experienced at least one traumatic event in their lifetime. This trauma can fracture our personalities, leading to a complex and challenging healing process. So, what does the treatment process look like? The journey begins with understanding and communicating with the different personality parts. We devise a basic treatment plan that takes into account key variables such as the duration of trauma and the intensity of pain. The role of the subconscious is paramount as it guides the healing process over time. What are the benefits for the main personality? The rewards are numerous: increased happiness, reduced pain, elimination of intrusions, and prevention of dissociation. The ultimate goal is the integration of all personality parts for a unified and successful life. The process necessitates gathering autobiographical memories and addressing traumas at different times. Moving on, how do we communicate and integrate personality parts? It's about persuading them to join a treatment team and allowing the subconscious to learn how to alleviate pain. The beauty of this treatment is that it's a painless process where positive behaviors are reinforced with positive emotions. The subconscious orchestrates the gradual treatment of pain during the trauma, and integration involves sharing memories until the part and main personality have identical memories. But what about safeguards and interventions? Safety measures are implemented to prevent memory flooding, protect fragile parts, and ensure safety during treatment. Interventions may include treating associative and dissociative processes simultaneously, reducing anticipatory anxiety and using metaphors like wearing a leotard. Communication with the subconscious is facilitated through finger responses, and problem-solving is employed to address barriers to communication. How do we create treatment plans and reach consensus? The treatment team, including the subconscious and all personality parts, collaboratively creates treatment plans. An ontology check ensures all parts agree to teach the subconscious the treatment method. The process emphasizes problem-solving and customizing interventions for each individual's unique autobiographical history. In conclusion, the integration of all personality parts is crucial for successful treatment. The process involves effective communication with personality parts and a carefully planned treatment plan. The main personality benefits include increased happiness, reduced pain, and prevention of dissociation. With a focus on safety and consensus building, the treatment process can lead to a unified and successful life. But here's a thought: if trauma can fracture our personalities, can the process of healing also unify us in ways we never imagined?